Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In today's video we will try to take some trades, and the first trade is going to be down here for me. We have a well respected resistance area, and you see that it has been broken. Okay, the point that the market this resistance has been broken, they have made the decision to this breakout. Okay, so we have to go to the lower time frame and find the decision point, find the fresh demand that caused this breakout. Okay, if I go to lower time frame step by step, I just have to find a fresh demand area, which is exactly down here. So if the price comes down here, it will be reacted from this one. All right, so I go back to 1 minute. It's also another resistance right here, but I will just count on this one because this one also can have a fresh supply. Let me just take a small trade on this one. All right. Okay, I take a very small trade on this one just because I know that it has touched the, yes, this is the fresh supply. This is the fresh demand, I mean. Look at that. And market is always switching between supply and demand. You have to know that. And yeah, the first trade was a winning trade. And also, this right here, it's a well respected resistance area. If you look right here, and the decision point is inside of this. It's not very obvious compared to this one, but that one also is a good one. All right, here we have a supply area. Market probably will do something like this, right? And it will come down here for this demand area, and then it will start going up. And here is a very nice supply area. If we go to lower time frame, we have to see something, right? So today's session is going to be just supply and demand. And yeah, so now I will just place this right here, and then I will go and look for other pairs. I will also set an alarm here. If the price comes down here by any chance, I will take this trade, right? Let's just go to lower time frame. We got this doji break right here, but it was against the trend, so I wouldn't really take this doji break. All right, let me just see. All right, we have another doji right here. Let's check the trend. We have a crazy downtrend, and then we got this, just like the first trade we took, well respected support area, and all of a sudden it has been broken, right? So we can detect the decision point inside of it. Let me just go to mark all of this. All right, so decision point is going to be inside of this, right? You know, let's just go to lower time frame. I just want to show you. All right, this is let me just go one more time. All right, this is the entry point for us if we were to take this trade. And we have to just refine that to see if we can make it smaller. Yes, see that? We go to lower time frame to refine our entry and make best possible entry. Okay, let's make this red and let's check it out. There we go. It would be a winning trade, right? We would enter exactly right here. And for now, the market is breaking this doji, okay? And after that, we can decide if we're gonna take a trade or not. Let's just see if it's gonna break it. And the price, I have to know that price is reacting from a QM, okay? So going against the QM is not allowed, right? So you have to know where the price is coming from. We are in a downtrend. We have been in a range, and now we broke the range. It can keep coming down, but you know, the thing is, we didn't create a lower low. If this doji was somewhere here and it was a lower low compared to previous low, it would be very nice. But this one is not that good, so I will just take it. Oh, we missed the chance. I would take this with a very small amount, just like the previous trade, because we are not sure, because we're coming from the QM. See, we can just reject at the last second. That's why it's not a short shot for me. But this one was very nice. This right here, based on the decision point, was very good because we did create a lower low. We were just coming down, okay? We're just absolutely coming down. And yeah, but this one, you know, yeah, I see that it's just gonna, I know some of you would take this trade and you might lose it in the last seconds. That's why it's just coming from a QM. When we have a QM, it will go at least to the previous high, okay? Okay, there we go. Let's just look for other pairs. We want some good trades, okay? Oh, look at this gap down. Just increase this one. Come on, I get. This is a terrible entry, terrible entry, but I just didn't want to miss this trade. If it goes up, I will add, okay? Come on, go up. Add it right here one more time. Please go up. No, this was very nice. This was beautiful, man. Alright, anyways. Look at, I mean, today's market is so beautiful. So beautiful. And I look at this. Hold on. Let me just draw everything for you guys. We have a look at this support area. How many times it has been respected? Look at that. It's a very respected support area. And if you know the first trade, if you remember the first trade, the decision point, the market decided to break exactly right here. Exactly right here, okay? So I will look for entry exactly right here, okay? I'm not talking about this trade we took right now. I'm talking about potential trades that we missed, okay? I will explain also this one as well. Let me just see. We have a well-respected support area and we want to look for entry, and I'm 100% sure that if I go to the lower time frame, okay, we don't see anything yet. Let's go to 15. We don't see anything yet. We need to find a fresh supply right here. Okay, do we see a fresh supply? No, no, no. Let's go to 10 seconds. Do we see a fresh supply? Yes, sir. There we go. This is a fresh supply. What do we mean by fresh supply? We need, look at that. We need a engulfing, basically an engulfing pattern, which there's no shadow inside of it later, okay? There's no shadow inside of it. If there was a shadow like that inside of it, it wouldn't be fresh anymore. We wouldn't take this trade, right? So this is the fresh supply. Let's see if we can refine it to the smaller entry. Not really, okay. Let's go back to 1 minute. Yeah. So the entry would be exactly the moment the candle reaches to this zone, we would enter, boom, and it would close down here. But make sure this is on flag mode and the third part of your timer is on 0. Okay, this is the important point about trading my style, right? So you might think, okay, so if we wouldn't refine our entry, or if we choose the wrong supply, what would happen, right? Let's see, we choose this one right here. Okay. First of all, we always choose the entry above the zone. Basically, if this is our zone, we really want the entry to be above. We don't want it below, okay? Because it can go for supply zones above and it just misses our entry. So let's go to 1 minute. And if you look at here, if you even had, you know, chosen the wrong supply down here, all right, you would have been, okay? Oh, which one was it? I'm sorry. All right. I entered right now. Let's go. Okay, this is the zone we drew at the beginning of the video. And the price is right here now. Let's get it. And yeah. Let's see if we're gonna win this. This is one of the decision points that we marked at the beginning of the video. Oh, we are at 10-second time frame. Let's go to 1 minute. Oh, sure. We also have the trend line. It should go up. There we go. All right. Let's go back to where I was explaining the doji thing. Oh my god. All right. Let me just see. At JPY here. Okay. So the entry, if you were choosing the wrong supply, would be here. Okay. You would still win if you look. But it's better always to choose the upper. Choose the entry above the zone, right? And the trade we took right here is basically a doji break, right? This doji is broken right here, but this one, we wouldn't take this one because it's a gap down. If you want to take a sell and you see gap down, candle jumping down and starting from downside, it's a invalidation for me, okay, to take a sell, because the gap down will make the buyers come into the market again. The gap up is against it. If this candle close right here, the next candle starts with this jump up, it's a confirmation for the sellers, right? And if I look back, I see that it's kind of a seller's area. It's not a strong confirmation, but in general, this is a seller's area, okay? So they probably want to enter again. So that's why I just took this trade. I was feeling like, oh, it's a good trade. And it was. All right. Also, no, we couldn't. I think we could add this common point of rejection. I didn't notice this when I was taking the trade, but it's exactly starting from the common point of rejection. It's not a strong confirmation, but yeah. Anyways. And yeah. That's it for today, everybody. I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.